What if the tools you're using today are already outdated and you don't even know it? Every year, new innovations quietly change the way we work, build, and create. Some of them look simple at first, but they completely flip how tasks get done. These upgrades are getting smarter than ever. In this video, we're diving into the most powerful game-changing tools you need to watch right now. All these gadgets links are in the description below. Number 20. SHARPAL 210N Transforod Adjustable Angle Knife Sharpener. Are you the sharpest thing in the room? Because after this, everything else is just dull. The 11-in-1 Adjustable Angle Knife Sharpener. Little tool that quietly turns frustration into satisfaction. Imagine reaching for a dull kitchen knife that struggles to cut even a tomato, then running it through this sharpener and watching it come back to life. With adjustable sharpening angles, diamond sharpening rods, ceramic slots, and leather straps for polishing, it is designed to sharpen straight, serrated, and even curved blades with precision. This multi-purpose sharpener works like a complete sharpening station in one compact design. No complicated setup, no professional skills needed. Number 19. Klein Tools Conduit Measuring Pull Tapes. Every perfect electrical run starts with one simple pull through the dark. In a busy job site, an electrician feeds the Klein Tools Conduit Measuring Pull Tape into a long, twisting conduit where no eye can see, trusting it to navigate bends and turns with ease. As it slides through, the clearly marked measurements tell the exact length of the hidden pathway, removing all guesswork from the installation. Built from tough, flexible material, it resists stretching and abrasion even in rough construction conditions. Once it reaches the other end, the same tape transforms into a pull line, ready to guide electrical wires smoothly through the conduit. Number 18. Sealey Space Warmer Indirect Heaters. When winter hits hard and ordinary heaters fail, the Sealey Space Warmer steps in like a silent powerhouse built for battle. In a cold, half-lit workshop, the indirect heater comes alive, burning diesel or kerosene in a sealed chamber while its exhaust safely escapes outside through a flue, leaving only clean, breathable heat behind. It pushes out intense warm airflow designed for large industrial spaces like warehouses, construction sites, and event tents, turning freezing environments into workable zones within minutes. With outputs ranging from roughly 20 kW up to 50 kW depending on the model, it's built to cover serious ground heating needs without compromise. A large built-in fuel tank allows long, uninterrupted run times, often through an entire work shift, while the thermostatic control maintains steady, automatic comfort. Number 17. Multifunctional Trim Router Jig. Tired of uneven cuts and messy edges ruining your woodworking projects built with a rigid, adjustable frame? It securely guides your trim router so every pass feels controlled and accurate even on tricky edges or detailed shapes. Its multifunctional design allows you to handle edging, trimming laminates, and fine profiling without switching tools or setups, saving both time and effort. As you lock your material into its stable clamping system, it removes wobble and guesswork, letting your focus stay on creativity rather than corrections. Whether you're refining a DIY project or working on professional cabinetry, it turns inconsistent hand movement into smooth, repeatable precision. Number 16. MakerPi Tidriver. Not just a screwdriver, it's a precision-engineered statement piece built for those who demand perfection in every turn. It's a premium titanium alloy ratcheting screwdriver. Crafted from aerospace-grade GR5 titanium, it delivers exceptional strength, durability, and a lightweight feel in hand. Its smooth ratchet mechanism offers 3 modes: tighten, loosen, and locked, giving full control whether you're working fast or fine-tuning delicate components. Inside its CNC machine body, it hides smart storage for extra bits and an extension bar, keeping everything neatly integrated for on-the-go use. A powerful N52 magnetic tip ensures bits and screws stay firmly in place, reducing slips and frustration during detailed work. Number 15. Sealey LED Twist Rechargeable Inspection Lights. When the job hides in the darkest corners, this light becomes your eyes. Designed with a clever twist and bend body, it rotates 360 degrees and folds into tight angles, letting you aim powerful COB SMD LED light exactly where engines, panels, or machinery hide the shadows. With brightness levels reaching up to around 2000 lumens depending on the model, it cuts through darkness with a wide flood beam, while a secondary top torch gives pinpoint inspection detail when precision matters. Powered by a built-in lithium-ion rechargeable battery, it charges quickly via USB and delivers hours of reliable runtime for long shifts in garages or field repairs. A strong magnetic base and integrated hanging hook free your hands completely, locking the light onto metal surfaces or suspended positions wherever needed. Number 14. LENOX Tools Bimetal Speed Slot Hole Saw. When precision matters and every second counts, cutting isn't a task, it's a performance. In the hands of a skilled tradesperson, less like a tool and more like a breakthrough moment on the job site. Built with rugged bimetal construction, it powers through wood, metal, and plastic with ease, while its patented speed slot design clears chips quickly to prevent clogging and keep momentum alive. The deep cut design ensures cleaner, deeper holes and fewer passes, reducing strain and boosting efficiency. Heat-resistant and engineered for durability, it maintains sharp cutting edges even under heavy use. With its standard arbor compatibility, it integrates smoothly into most professional setups. Number 13. ELOTOUGH Electrician Tool Pouch. This feels like a trusted partner the moment you clip it on, built from rugged 1680D ballistic polyester that stands strong against abrasion, dust, and daily construction wear. It wraps around your waist with an adjustable belt, keeping your essential tools locked in place without slowing you down as you move through tight spaces. Every pocket is designed with purpose. Screwdrivers, pliers, testers, tape measure, and electrical tape all have their own spot, so nothing gets lost in the chaos of the day. A reinforced tunnel loop and quick clip design let you switch it on or off in seconds, making job transitions smoother than ever. Number 12. CRAFTSMAN V20 Angle Grinder. When raw power meets cordless freedom, every cut feels effortless. Steps into the workshop like a compact powerhouse built for serious work without the hassle of cords holding you back. Running on the trusted V20 lithium-ion battery platform, it delivers strong, consistent performance for cutting, grinding, and surface prep across metal and masonry. Depending on the model, its brushless motor pushes higher efficiency, longer runtime, and reduced heat. With speeds reaching up to around 8,500 to 11,000 revolutions per minute, it slices through bolts, rebar, welds, and rust with confidence. A tool-free guard adjustment, spindle lock, and 3-position side handle give you control and quick setup when switching tasks. Number 11. KNIPEX Pipe Cutter. One tool, one clean cut, no force, no mess, just precision in your hand. On a demanding job site where every second counts. Designed with a heavy-duty yet compact body, it features a hardened cutting wheel that slices through plastic pipes cleanly without crushing or cracking them. The quick adjust mechanism grips different pipe diameters instantly, allowing smooth workflow without constant tool changes. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control, even during long hours of repetitive cutting in tight spaces. With every turn, it delivers a perfectly straight, burr-free edge that's ready for fitting. Number 10. Hinge Stand Kit for Painting Spraying Doors. Ever tried painting a door while it wobbles, leans, or keeps slipping just when you're about to get a perfect coat? That's exactly where the Hinge Stand Kit steps in like a quiet workshop hero. This built to securely hold doors in an elevated, stable position, allowing painters and DIY users to work on every surface without interruption or contact marks. In a busy workshop or renovation site, it feels like setting the door onto a professional workstation. Solid metal supports lock it in place, while hinge-style mounting keeps installation and removal smooth and fast. It eliminates the struggle of balancing doors against walls or makeshift stands, giving full 360-degree access for painting, staining, or spraying. Designed for durability and repeated use, it comfortably handles heavy interior or exterior doors without shifting. Number 9. Metabo HPT18V MultiVolt Cordless Triple Hammer. Raw power meets precision in your palm. Every screw feels effortless. In the hands of a pro on a tight job site, the Metabo HPT18V Multivolt Cordless Triple Hammer Impact Driver feels like controlled chaos turned into precision. Its innovative triple hammer mechanism fires with 3 anvils instead of 2, delivering up to 1,859 Nlbs of torque with less vibration and faster fastening than traditional impact drivers. Inside its compact 4.5-inch body, a brushless motor pushes speeds up to 3,700 revolutions per minute and 4,000 BPM, while 5 selectable modes let you fine-tune power for delicate or heavy-duty work. Built on the 18V MultiVolt platform, it can also run on 36V batteries for extended runtime, making it flexible for long days. Despite its power, it stays lightweight at around 2 pounds and fits easily into tight corners. With IP56 dust and water resistance, and triple LED lighting ensuring visibility even in harsh conditions. Number 8. Metabo Reciprocating Saw. When demolition gets serious, only raw cutting power survives. The Metabo Reciprocating Saw feels like a tool built for moments when nothing else will do the job, tearing through wood, metal, and plastic with relentless force. Its high-torque motor delivers fast, aggressive cutting action, while the variable speed trigger lets you dial control exactly where you need it. Designed for real job site pressure, it features an ergonomic grip that keeps handling steady even during long demolition sessions. The toolless blade change system makes swapping blades quick and frustration-free, saving time when every second counts. From renovation work to heavy teardown projects, it brings Metabo's signature durability and power to every cut. Number 7. Goldblatt Dust Freehand Sander. Breathe easier while you sand like a pro, turns a messy, dusty job into a cleaner, smoother experience as you glide across drywall like a storyteller shaping a blank canvas. Designed to connect directly to a shop vacuum, it captures dust at the source through its 11.25-inch sanding screen, keeping the air noticeably clearer while you work. Its 360 degrees pivoting elbow follows your hand naturally. A lightweight, ergonomic handle helps reduce fatigue during long sanding sessions, while the adjustable airflow vent lets you fine-tune suction so it doesn't stick too hard to the surface. Built for drywall finishing, renovation work, and indoor projects. Number 6. SENCO F35 XP Paper Tape. Built for the moments when wood fights back and you refuse to slow down. This cordless beast runs on SENCO's fusion technology, combining an 18-volt lithium-ion battery with onboard air compression to deliver true pneumatic performance without hoses, compressors, or fuel cartridges. It drives 2 to 3.5 paper tape collated framing nails at a 30 to 34 degrees angle, including heavy-duty 0.148 diameter fasteners, making it ready for dense engineered lumber and structural framing. With tool-free depth adjustment, selectable bump or sequential firing, dry fire lockout, and a rugged aluminum rafter hook, it's built for precision as much as punishment. From framing walls to decking, fencing, subfloors, and trusses, it turns demanding construction into a smoother, faster workflow. Number 5. Wiha RedStripe 30-piece toolkit. When the job demands precision, durability, and total readiness, this kit shows up like your entire workshop in one pack. In the real world of tight deadlines and tough job sites, it combines precision-engineered German Wiha tools with a rugged RedStripe Tech Pack backpack designed for heavy-duty daily use. You get essentials like insulated screwdrivers, a soft finish 11-in-1 driver, lineman's pliers with crimpers, and both metric and inch hex key sets for maximum versatility. The backpack itself is built like a mobile workshop, featuring dozens of organized pockets, weather-resistant construction, and ergonomic padding for all-day carrying comfort. Number 4. GEDORE Red Torque Wrench 1/4 5 to 25 Newton meters. Every perfect fix starts with the right amount of force and zero guesswork. This is the tool that keeps every turn perfectly under control. Built with a 1 to 4 square drive and a finely tuned 5 to 25 Newton meters torque range, it is designed for delicate fastening tasks where even a slight over-tightening could cause damage. The click-type mechanism speaks clearly when the preset torque is reached, giving both an audible and tactile signal so you never second-guess the result. Its 36-tooth ratchet head allows smooth operation and directional flexibility, while the locking system ensures your settings stay secure throughout the job. It delivers workshop-grade accuracy in every use. Number 3. Knoweasy 8 inches Wire Stripper Tool. Perfect cut starts with the right grip in the hands of a technician. Feels like a small upgrade that changes everything on the job site. Built with a sturdy 8-inch steel frame, it brings together stripping, cutting, and crimping into one smooth, self-adjusting motion that automatically adapts to 10 to 24 AWG wires. As the handles squeeze, the hardened jaws lock onto the insulation, peel it cleanly, and release in a single precise action. Its integrated cutter handles copper and aluminum wire effortlessly, while the crimping section secures terminals with confidence. Wrapped in a cushioned, non-slip grip, it stays comfortable even during long wiring sessions. Number 2. WANLAKE 32 Pieces Hex Key Set. Every bolt looks the same, but none of them fit. This is the kit that saves the day. A small toolbox that quietly prepares you for every unexpected repair moment. From a loose chair screw to a stubborn bike bolt that refuses to move. Built from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a protective black oxide finish. Each key is designed to handle pressure while resisting wear and rust over time. It ensures you're never stuck searching for the right fit in the middle of a job. The set comes with long arm keys for deep reach and short arm keys for extra torque, giving you flexibility whether you're working in tight corners or applying serious force. It also includes extension bars for added leverage, making even the most stubborn bolts easier to handle. All 32 pieces are neatly packed in a compact, size-labeled storage case. Number 1. Wheeler Manual Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench. Built for those who don't trust close enough, only exact. In the quiet precision of firearms setup, the Wheeler Manual Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench steps in as the difference between guesswork and engineering certainty. Designed as a professional-grade click-type torque tool, it delivers an adjustable range from 10 to 65 inch-pounds, giving shooters full control over delicate firearm components like scope rings, bases, and action screws. Each turn tightens with purpose until the internal slip mechanism delivers a crisp click, signaling that perfect torque has been reached. It comes equipped with a complete set of interchangeable bits, including hex, Torx, flathead, and specialty options, kept organized in a rugged protective case built for both workshop and field use. And that's a wrap for today's countdown. Which insanely smart tools did you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering these innovative smart tools, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next collection of amazing gadgets and game-changing technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.